Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by prepping the sticker and workspace. This prevents tearing and contamination. Hold the sticker flat, then use a sharp pin or blade to gently score or lift one corner. This creates an entry point for peeling. Once done, angle the sticker slightly and press the opposite side to keep it stable. You want control, not speed, to avoid adhesive residue. Make sure to clean both surfaces before you begin, so the backing separates cleanly. You should peel the backing slowly and evenly to keep the sticker intact. Grip the lifted corner and pull the backing back over itself at a low angle, 10 to 30 degrees, so the adhesive stays on the sticker rather than the backing. If the adhesive stretches, pause and smooth the sticker with your free hand. This redistributes tension. Once done, use a hairdryer on low heat to soften stubborn glue, but make sure to move it constantly so you don't warp or overheat the sticker. You'll finish by positioning and securing the sticker precisely. Align the top edge first, then lay the sticker down from the center outward while smoothing with a squeegee or credit card to expel bubbles. This ensures even adhesion. If you see residue, use adhesive remover or isopropyl alcohol sparingly and wipe gently. If the sticker tears, stop, warm the area, lift carefully, and reapply or use transfer tape to realign. This troubleshooting tip preserves the rest of the sticker without wasting it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.